Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and it's that time of year again. The spring has sprung, so owners are wondering, should they be offering landscaping services to their rental properties and for their tenants? And the answer is yes, okay? And the reason is this. If you have a multi-family dwelling, meaning you have multiple apartments at the same property, it's impossible to fairly assign landscaping duties to each tenant or to one tenant specifically. For example, if you have a three-family house and there's grass out in front, how can you say which tenant is responsible to cut the grass and why? Okay, so that's why it's best to just do it yourself or hire a company and take care of that. If you don't, what's going to happen is the city will eventually come and issue you a citation because nobody's going to cut it. The neighbor's going to get upset and call, and you're going to get fined. On top of that, the tenants will also see that you don't care about their well-being. You don't care about your own property. So they're going to lose confidence in you, and ultimately, that's not what you want as a rental property owner. So, in sum, landscaping is very important because it shows greatly that you care about the property, you care about things neat and clean, and also that you're on top of your game. And not to mention, it's super, super cheap and super quick with these multis to cut the grass, okay? So don't slack. Once again, this is Gregory from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.